We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at our 8.5 by 24 Blackout enclosed trailer. This is a tandem axle. It does come with two 5,200-pound axles with rear brakes. It does have the Black ATP along the sides. The bar latches also black. Here we have the rear ramp. It does come with spring assist. It's plywood inside for the flooring and for the interior. This is made with a steel structure, and the interior height is 6 foot 6 inches. Okay, it does have a 36-inch side door entry. It does have rings built in throughout. It does have a 12-volt interior light. Seen here, it does have a switch. The plywood walls are 3/8 of an inch, and the flooring is 3/4 of an inch. Okay. There also is the roof vent. The exterior is screwed exterior. And that is our 8 by 24 Blackout enclosed trailer.